In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to distribute deals in Pipedrive automation. We're going to walk through a simple setup that automatically assigns new deals to the right people on your team, so you don't have to do it manually each time. This helps keep your pipeline organized, speeds up response times, and makes sure no deal slips through the cracks. First, open Pipedrive and look toward the lower left side of your screen. You'll see a three-dot icon. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a menu with additional options that aren't always visible by default. From this menu, select the option called Automatic Assignment. This is where all your rules for distributing deals will live. Once you're on the Automatic Assignment page, look for a button or link that says Add Rule. Click on Add Rule to start creating a new automation. Think of a rule as a simple instruction that tells Pipedrive when something should happen and what exactly it should do. Next, you'll need to set the trigger for this rule. For this automation, choose Deal Added as the trigger. This means that every time a new deal is created in your Pipedrive account, this rule will check whether it should act on that deal. It's a great way to ensure that new opportunities are immediately assigned to someone responsible. Now, you can refine this behavior using conditions. Conditions are optional, but they're very powerful if you only want certain types of deals to be automatically distributed. For example, you might only want deals with a value greater than a certain amount to go to a particular team, or only deals from a specific region, like North America. You can add filters such as deal value is greater than 1,000, or location is North America. Take a moment to think about your sales process and which deals should be handled by which teams before you set these conditions. After your conditions are in place, it's time to define who will actually receive these deals. Look for the Assignee option. Here, you can choose either an entire team or specific users. If you choose a team, Pipedrive can help distribute deals across team members, often in a round-robin style, depending on your setup. If you choose individual users, you can be more targeted, sending particular deals to specific people. When everything looks good, click Save. Finally, make sure to toggle the rule to Active. If the rule is not active, it won't run, even though it's been created. Once it's active, every new deal that matches your conditions will be automatically assigned just the way you configured.